Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock the phone, make sure mobile data is toggled on, and locate settings. Once done, tap Connections or Network and Internet. This is where usage is tracked. If you're on Android, open Data Usage. On iPhone, tap Cellular. Make sure Wi-Fi is off briefly if you want only cellular numbers. These steps place you directly at the counters that show today's consumption. Don't skip opening the exact. Once in data usage, choose mobile or cellular data to reveal the dashboard. You need to change the view to today, tap the date range, or use the graph handles to isolate today's interval. You'll see total bytes sent and received and a per app list. Scroll to expand details. Make sure to include background data. Some toggles hide that. This step shows precisely which apps use data and how much, so you can act fast. Finish by recording the totals. Take a screenshot or jot numbers in a note. This gives you a baseline for the day. If numbers seem wrong, restart the phone and recheck the same menu. Sometimes services lag. If device totals still disagree with your carrier or their app shows different usage, log into the carrier app or contact support for the final tally. One key tip: toggle mobile data off and on before calling to force an update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.